What's up, bosses? Welcome back to the Natural Boss channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and click on the subscribe button right now. Also turn on the notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video, you can tell by the title, is going to be an update, a follow-up to my first video on collagen peptides. I encourage you to watch that video first, especially if you're not that familiar with collagen, and I will explain the benefits and all that in that video. So just to be real brief, what I said I was going to do a couple months ago was a 60-day collagen challenge, and I said I was going to be consistent and take collagen every single day. And then I did a before picture, and then I'm going to do an after picture to see, you know, if my hair really grew noticeably from using the collagen. I will tell you this. So like I said in my first video, the first thing that I noticed anyway is that my nails are stronger and they grow really fast. I don't like long nails. As you guys see, most of my, I don't have nails. I don't polish them or anything like that. I like to actually keep my nails short, so I had to cut them more often. And also my nails just felt really strong. Now, as far as and that happens usually in about 3 days when I can actually feel that difference and see that difference. And then, so my hair, when I take the collagen consistently every day, I do notice that it feels a lot stronger. Now, as far as the growth, I think the growth is probably what most of you guys are interested in. When you have completely natural hair like mine, that's very, so it's looser at the bottom, it's looser in some spots, but for the most part, like in the roots where it's growing out, it's very tightly coiled. So I can't just, unless my hair grows like 6 inches or something like that, it's not real noticeable unless I either blow dry it or I stretch it some kind of way or I pull it straight. So just to say, like in a week, I noticed my hair growth. I didn't, because I'm just not the type that's measuring. I don't get out a ruler or anything like that. My hair growth or anything like that. I try not to be that obsessed with it, but I just wanted to see, was this supplement something that was really going to help my hair and help it noticeably? Because I just don't want to, I'm going to take collagen regardless. After, I don't even know what the results are myself for my hair, but I'm going to take it regardless because it just has a lot of good benefits. And even if the growth wasn't like something overnight, it's still good for your hair. It's good for your skin. So it's a supplement that I'm going to continue to take. Like I said in my other video, the one I use is Sports Research Collagen Peptides. I get mine from Amazon. You may be able to buy this somewhere else. The link to the one that I buy is going to be in the description. I'm trying not to go over the whole video that I said last time. I'm not going to go into detail of the benefits and all that, but I will say that I just continue, I mix 1 scoop of it with water every day. Now I will tell you, this has been over 60 days. I think I uploaded that video like February 6th or something. Today, I don't know when this is really going to be uploaded, but today is actually April 10th. So a little tiny bit over 60 days. I said in my first video I was going to take it consistently every single day. I will give a disclaimer. There were some days where I missed it. And the reason is because I always drink it at night. And sometimes whether I go somewhere and I don't get home till late, then I wouldn't do it. Or if I just happen to fall asleep or something like that on the couch, you know, or something like that, then I didn't take it. But I didn't miss that many days, so it still should be, you know, real close to 60 days. So anyway, enough with that. I know what you guys really want to do is see the results. So at the very end of this video, and I'm not sure, I haven't done this yet, like I said, I don't even know what my results are, but I will show you some still pictures. I have on the exact same shirt I had on. It has the measurements in the back. But I will take down the front right now just to see if it grew any. Already I can tell, to me, it looks like it grew a lot, because in the picture on the thumbnail for my first collagen video, I'm sitting here, I probably have this much hair and I'm going like this. Let me try to scoot back. I can't even get all of it into the picture now. So that tells me that it's grown. I'll even take a smaller piece from the front just to see. And it's definitely, to me is noticeably longer. I'm serious. It is. And the only thing, it's kind of nappy there. The only thing, I have not done anything different. I don't take biotin. I don't take any kind of hair vitamins. I don't use growth oil or anything like that. The only thing that I've been doing in my life right now, I haven't actually, for these last 60 days, I haven't even been using rice water. All I've been doing that could be related to hair, besides my normal wash day routine, is taking the collagen supplement. So whatever results I have, I'm going to attribute it to that. So here's the front, like I said. To me, it's noticeably different. I mean, noticeably longer, like way longer. I'll just do this side, just in case I want to be accurate. Yeah, because the thing is, my hair, like I always say in every single video, my hair has been damaged from color. And I dyed it all dark brown. Now that's why you don't see any color. But I'm still like getting over the damage. And so my hair, I used to dye it more in the front than I did in the back. So this part is more damaged. The front is way shorter than the rest of my hair. But however, look at how long this is. I'm trying to like see the whole thing. Where I'm sitting at, you're just not going to be able to see it. But when I show you guys the still pictures again, you'll be able to see. And I'll do the back, the still shots of the back of my hair as well. Because I want to do everything exactly the same so it doesn't look like I'm, oops, like I'm making this up. But it looks like I definitely have like 1.5 inches to 2 inches, which is quite a bit of hair for 60 days. Also taking into consideration that my hair is usually really dry, but it actually has felt a lot better, I'll say, in the last 30 days. And like I said, I'm not doing anything different. What I'm having in my hair right now is just some Cantu curl moisturizer, something like that. I don't even know what it's called, and I just twisted it in 4 twists. That's all I did after I washed it. And this is it, and I just wear it in a ponytail like this. So that's it. So my final thoughts on the collagen is that I highly recommend this supplement for you. It's so good for your joints. It's so good for your skin. And it's definitely so good for your hair. So no matter what your goals are, what you're trying to achieve, I mean, it's definitely not going to hurt you. That's for sure. It's not that expensive. Like I said, I think it's about $27. And I get mine from Amazon. You can put it on auto ship, but I think you'll be able to get it a little bit cheaper than that. Me personally, in the past, now I have taken I have taken biotin. I've taken I tried all kinds of other hair vitamins and stuff. And to me, I don't see results as fast as when I have been using this collagen. So pretty much just wait till the end. I'm going to show the still videos. That's pretty much my video. I just wanted to give you guys an update and tell you my thoughts on the collagen. I absolutely think it works. Highly recommend it. That's pretty much all I can say. I'm going to keep on using it. So again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Click on the notifications, thumbs up my video if you like it. If you've tried collagen or you think you have another supplement that you think is better than collagen, comment and let me know what that is. I'm always trying new things. But anyway, I will see you in the next video.